The next song is called This Is Not Jingle Bells. I think the reason why the title is that way is because in the beginning it tricks you into thinking it's Jingle Bells, and then right after it isn't. So I'm placing my right hand thumb on C, 3 on E. We're playing something called a third. You saw how I skipped the note in the middle right there? That's a third, 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 and so on. So here, my right hand, C and E, left hand, E and G. There, that's also a third. So let's hear how this one goes. Move to B. Move back. So let's begin with the left hand. Thumb on G, 3 on E. Let's jump. Hold. Hold. Move our thumb up to B. Back down to G and E. And switch over, thumb on middle C and 3 on E. Jump and hold. Jump